Hi, it's me again, Sir Jude. In this video, we will talk about the types of plate boundaries. There are three types of plate boundary. First is the convergent boundary. Next is the transform boundary. And last is the divergent boundary. The first type of plate boundary is the convergent boundary. Convergent boundary occur when two plates collide or going towards each other. We have three types of convergent boundary. First is the ocean continent, where oceanic crust collides with the continental crust. Second is the ocean-ocean. This is where the oceanic crust collides with the continental of the ocean and produce island arc. Last is the continent-continent. This is where the continental crust collides with the continental crust and produce mountain range. Now let's talk about the result of convergent boundary. It produces mountains, volcanoes, it can cause earthquake, and big tsunamis. Our country is a product of convergent boundary. As you can see, we have a lot of mountains and volcanoes all over the country. That's why we also experience earthquakes and tsunamis. The second type of plate boundary is the transform boundary. This is where when two plates slide past one another. Here are some good examples of the results of transform boundary. First one is the San Andreas Fault in California, USA. Second one is the Marikina Fault line. And of course, transform boundary can cause earthquake. The last type of plate boundary is the divergent boundary. This is when two plates move away from each other. Here are the results of divergent boundary. When divergent boundary happens in seafloor, it is spread out, produce new rock, island arc, and volcanic arc. Another is the Great African Rift Valley. This is the result from millions of years of moving away from each other. Again, here are the types of the plate boundary: convergent boundary, transform boundary, and divergent boundary. And the three types of convergent boundaries are ocean-continent, ocean-ocean, and continent-continent. Hope you learned from this session. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in our next video. God bless and keep safe everyone.